Are you tired of messy Smartsheet rows that look like a jumbled list? Learn to indent rows in under 30 seconds for perfect hierarchy. First, I'll show you how to indent a single row, then how to indent multiple rows at once using the Control key. Start on the Smartsheet homepage. Now, open the sheet you want to work with by clicking on it. Click on the row you want to indent to select it. Then, on the toolbar, click the Indent button. It looks like a right-pointing arrow. Press and hold the Control key. Then, click all the rows you want to indent while holding the key. Finally, click the Indent button again at the top bar to apply the indentation. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.